Welcome back to another quick 8482 tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost the audio volume. So if we zoom up here, as you can see on the audio tracks, I've already done this for a couple of them, but the audio levels are very inconsistent. You can see here they're kind of grabbing the microphones, so it's going to depend not only on the loudness and volume of their voice, but also the distance that they're holding the microphone. So we're going to go ahead and select whichever track you want to in Premiere Pro that has its volume levels below what you're looking for. Right click, and we're going to edit in Adobe Audition. You want to click Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. Now, if you have Adobe Audition installed, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and render, this entire file, scanning through the audio file and bringing it and all its components into Adobe Audition. And then we're going to show you, once it loads here in Adobe Audition, exactly how we can quickly, with one effect, just boost the audio. Now, this is not going to work too well if you have a ton of background noise, because it's going to be boosting everything. It's going to be boosting all the background noise. And we've gotten into, on separate channels and separate tutorials on this channel, how to remove background noise, how to actually master or process audio. But in this video, I'm just going to be showing you my simple hack for boosting the audio levels. You can do it inside Premiere Pro if you click on the audio clip mixer and just increase the level, but that's just changing the general volume of the clip. It's not actually changing the dB levels of the audio itself. So once this renders and Adobe Audition pops up, so what I want to do is Control A. I'm going to highlight the entire track. I'm going to come up to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, and click on Dynamic Processing. Okay, I have a preset saved here, but this is going to be the ratio and the threshold. So you can go ahead and move this point closer to -21.4 to -4.7. All right, and what that's going to do is it's just going to boost the audio waves, and you guys will get to see. So you can go ahead and preview it. Make sure it sounds good. So as you can see now, the levels are much higher. I'm just going to go ahead and click apply. And again, this is a short, quick fix. This is not, like highly edited, produced audio. So if you're working on a documentary or something, I would not recommend this. But if you have very low levels, it's really hard to hear in your video, and you need something for social media done, or something simple and quick, well, this just solved the trick. So now I can listen. All right, much louder, much clearer. I'm going to go ahead and export this. And once that's exported, I bring it back into Adobe Premiere, replace it with the previous audio, and that's a wrap.